it's me, Melon Aso. I'm back. Sorry if I'm late, guys, because I haven't posted for about months or something. So this is a Sailor Fish video, and then I will introduce you all the cave farm I have. By the way, I only have two. So let's start with the beginners. But because it's only two because I'm a beginner. And if you're a beginner, this is only for beginner, of course. So go to Statue Island, as in ours, and then upgrade all your points into swords so you can start, and then at about buy the katana, of course, the katana, and then spam this X, I mean not X, spam Z, and then it will one shot him, and it has the same cooldown, of course. This is for beginners, of course. So you just gonna do that, and then that's the number 1. For the AFK2, you can use in AFK2, go to Shibuya Station and go for Graipon set for the Graipon sword. It's a good item to use, of course. Good item to use to AFK farm. You only need 650k money and 650 gems. And then if you got that, you wanna go to Monkey Island. What's the portal? You wanna go to Jungle Island, and then go to the boss. Equip Graipon, and then press Z. I mean not Z. Sorry. So press X. Okay. Go to this side, and then spam X, and then you can damage him, of course. You can now damage him. Okay. Without him touching you. And by the way, the cooldown is the same time of the monkey boss. So we're good. So just face this way. Okay. Now there you have the 2 AFK farm I use and I'm playing Sailor Fish. And of course you can farm here too. I mean I have 3 of them, so if you want to do the AFK farm with the fruit, you just have to reset your stats and then get all your points to power, and then if you press C, you will activate a tsunami, and then you will one-shot them all. But I don't care about that, so I just use this. And of course I use this too. Look at this. I use this AFK farm too. It literally one-shot them. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you like my video and all my AFK farms. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.